Hello everyone, let us understand about sources of data. Now that we know what data collection is, let us see the common sources of data. Data sources can be classified into primary and secondary sources. Primary sources represent the sources created to collect data for analysis. For example, surveys, interviews, questionnaires, feedback forms, etc. Some methods of collecting primary data are A. Physical interviews, B. Online surveys like feedback forms. Secondary sources. At times, data is already recorded for some other purpose, but then reused for analysis. These are secondary data sources. They include internal transactional databases, sensor data. Some methods of collecting secondary data are A. Social media data tracking, B. Web traffic tracking, C. Satellite data tracking. What is big data? We have seen multiple types of data and several data sources. Also, we have seen raw data needs to be transformed and analyzed to make it useful. This transformation process requires the processing of the data. When the data volume exceeds the processing capacities of traditional databases, they are called big data. Think of the common social media platforms. Millions of users are using the platforms and creating an enormous amount of content every minute. Processing this vast amount of data requires specialized skills and systems. Such systems capable of extracting statistical insights from a huge amount of data are called big data system. Let us understand some of the key characteristics that can define big data. 1. Volume. This refers to the size of the data. The size of the data generally determines if a data set can be termed big data or not. Data sets greater than terabytes and petabytes are called big data. 2. Variety. Big data sets are generally collected from a wide range of sources, including transactional databases, sensor data. It could include images, pictures, audio, video. 3. Velocity. The rate at which data is generated. Big data has generally created a rapid speed resulting in high volumes very soon. Social media platforms generate a massive amount of data every minute. Big data techniques are widely used in different sectors. Let us see some of them. A. Retail. Popular retail chains are spread across the world. They handle millions of customers every minute. They store and analyze their customers' data and their transactions in big data system. B. Science. On the Discover supercomputing cluster, the NASA Center for Climate Simulation stores 32 petabytes of climate observations and simulations. Sports. Race cars with hundreds of sensors produce terabytes of data in Formula One races. Based on the data analysts and engineers decide whether modifications should be made to get the best outcome in race. D. Social media. Most popular social media platforms store and analyze petabytes of data every day. In healthcare. During COVID-19 pandemic, different governments use big data to track infected people's locations to reduce the spread. Thank you for watching.